Welcome back to Cyber and Tech with Dre. Today I'm going to talk about TryHackMe, and this is a resource that you can use to learn about cybersecurity, or if you already started in cybersecurity, you can learn new skills and sharpen the ones you already have. So stay tuned. If we look at the introductory uh, option, which is Introduction to Cybersecurity, you'll see it gives you the option to enroll in the path. And of course, once you hit enroll, you're going to have to create an account if you haven't already. And there's an outline of everything here. And what's fun about this is that it's gamified, meaning that it's like a game. So let me just hit one of these to give you a better idea of what this looks like if you haven't already seen it. So this is a setup typically for all of the different areas. You get the information here, and there's the option to start a machine where you will actually engage in carrying out some of these tasks and seeing the results. And they put it in a way that it's like a game. So here you see where they have a topic here that you're hacking a bank, and it's telling you some of the things that you should have found. And once you've completed the task, you'll put the answers in here. So if we go back out, I can show you the different paths again. Go back to learn here. And all of these are different options. Even if you have absolutely no idea of cybersecurity, there's a pre-security option here as well that gives you some basics in everything. And if you're more advanced, there are things here for you. There's Burp Suite, Metasploit, Introduction to Web Hacking, and all of these. And your ranking goes up the more you get engaged, and it rewards you. There's also a competitive version of it where you will go into these different areas and compete with other people who are on the platform. This is a great way to learn and develop on your skills, and I would encourage anyone who hasn't tried it as yet to go on there and create an account, because this is also great to have on your resume to show that you're actively involved in enhancing your skills through TryHackMe. For your benefit, to help you to have a better idea of what it actually looks like, I'm going to go into one of the rooms that I started in, which is the pre-security. I did not finish it. I'm at 93% here. I have 1, 2, 3 of these to complete in order to get my certificate. So I'm going to open this one, and I'll show you what the gamified version of TryHackMe looks like. So here it says, before going into cybersecurity careers and what offensive security is, let's get you hacking. And yes, it's legal. All exercises are fake simulations. So this is one place where you can actually practice and hone your hacking skills without worrying about committing any crimes. So this is going to be your first hack. You click the Start Machine button. Once loaded in split view in your browser, you will have access to a machine you'll use to hack a fake bank application called Fake Bank. If you don't see the machine appear, use the blue Show Split View button on the top right of this page. We will use a command line application called GoBuster to brute force Fake Bank's website to find hidden directories and pages. GoBuster will take a list of potential page or directory names and tries accessing a website with each of them. If the page exists, it tells you. So what GoBuster is a tool that's used for what is called directory busting. I showed you this in a previous video that I did about how hackers get information about your organization. Directory busting is what this tool does. So first we're going to start the machine, and it says starting the machine, please wait. Eventually you're going to see, yep, here we go. And to get the split screen, we're going to hit this blue button here. There we go. There's a split screen. Okay. Open a terminal. That's step one. A terminal, also known as a command line, allows us to interact with the computer without using a graphical user interface. On the machine, open the terminal using terminal icon. So the graphical user interface is basically what you see when you turn your computer screen on. So the command line is just an alternate to that can get you the same results without the graphics. So in a minute you're gonna see what the command line looks like, and it shows it down here as well. And this is what I like about TryHackMe. They go very far when it comes to showing you what you should expect to see. Now, the terminal. To open the terminal, you're going to click this symbol here, and there's also a video here that shows you what you should do. We can see it obviously here, but I'm going to click on it for your benefit so you can see. Hit that and hit play. It shows you over there. So there we have it right here. You're going to open the terminal. Here we go. Now the next step here, find hidden website pages. Most companies will have an admin portal page giving their staff access to basic admin controls for day-to-day operations. For a bank, an employee might need to transfer money to and from client accounts. Often these pages are not made private, allowing attackers to find hidden pages that show or give access to admin controls or sensitive data. So basically, we're going to try to see if there are vulnerabilities with this bank in this way, and that's what GoBuster is used to do essentially. Type the following command into the terminal to find potentially hidden pages on the fake bank's website using GoBuster. Alright, and they show you the command to type into the terminal or the command line interface. So this will not show you the typical output that's on your computer screen. You're gonna get what they're showing here. Alright, so the command that you're gonna type in is GoBuster fakebank.com, which is the victim's URL or the website for the victim. And W is for the word list. Wordlist.txt. There. Okay. Here goes nothing. Alright, as you can see, this is already giving you output here. And it's showing you almost exactly what's on this side, what you're supposed to see. The process is now finished. So let's go down here to see what else it says. Alright. So they're giving you a walkthrough for everything here. And this is great because, as I said, not everybody has an IT background. So it's basically showing you what you should expect, so you have something to compare it against to know if you went wrong somewhere. In the command above, U is used to state the website we're scanning. W takes a list of words to iterate through to find hidden pages. So GoBuster has several word lists within the program, and what it will do is use these word lists to look for different directories that may be available on the victim's website. Now that we've successfully transferred the money, let's see what we should do next. So it says, when you've transferred money to your account, go back to your bank account page, and then what is the answer shown on your bank balance page? So let's go back to our bank account page, and it's still saying the same thing. So maybe we need to refresh this to see if it's going to be different. All right, so what's here? So we're getting, congratulations, you hacked the bank. The answer to the TryHackMe question is bank hacked. Okay, so let's see, what is the answer shown on your bank balance page? Bank hacked. And oh, there you go. So this is why it's a gamified version, because you're achieving different tasks and then you'll move up to new levels as you move on. So let's go to the next question and see what they want now. If you were a penetration tester or security consultant, this is an exercise you perform for companies to test for vulnerabilities in their web applications. Find hidden pages to investigate for vulnerabilities. Alright, so no answer is needed for that because you've already completed that. So you just hit completed here and terminate the machine by clicking the red terminate button at the top of the page. So we've just completed one of the sections here, and then we're gonna move on to offensive security. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's fun and you can go very far and accomplish a lot, which will speak volumes on your resume.